is up? It is Friday. Finally. Weekend is upon us. Welcome to it. This weekend is going to be pretty fun. We have, obviously, we got dance, we got cooking, cleaning, shopping, all that. Today's going to be a little strange because I'm at home, obviously. I'm going to be heading out to Sadie's school. They're going to have a Dads and Donuts party. We did this with Sophia when she was in kindergarten, so it's been a minute. But they do this every year, so it's Sadie's turn. We're gonna go do that. Then I'm heading to work. Going to do grocery pickup at Sam's, and then head back here and obviously put the groceries away, stuff like that. Do a little cleanup and get ready for the rest of the day. Gonna get Sophia to dance. I'll pick up Sadie. Obviously, she gets her E. She gets to watch her tablet. And then once Mom gets home, we'll start cooking dinner. All that said, let's get started. Well, that was fun. She had one friend come up and say, "Hey, you want to come play with us?" And she says, "No." I was like, "Sadie," she says, "I want to pull this tooth right now." I said, "Let's do it." Then she got scared and said, "No, don't touch my tooth." So, tooth is still in her mouth. So now, I'm heading back to the house, grab my stuff, head to the office. Go get Pia.
Dad, I got like a lot of F's today.
A lot of what?
F's.
How are you telling me? That would ruin the joke. Dance good.
Okay.
Be great.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you.
With you. Hi, okay.
Hello, ma'am, and I haven't eaten yet.
dropped the girls off safely. Now the day starts. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I'm gonna start cleaning and doing some laundry and the whole nine. Oh man, it's way off. tell them where we're going?
To get in the Barbie car. Because Pia broke it. Then she could then put
Yeah.
the wheels back.
She didn't break it. She needed the wheels for a school project, and failed to bring the wheels back. So her Barbie car has no wheels. I'm not either. Let's go to Walmart.
Well,
Are you sure that's the one you want?
yeah. Because the stuff things, they could go swimming too.
All right.
It's so cute.
All right, let's go.
Well, this is kind of heavy.
You want me to hold it?
No.
Okay.
I want to keep that Barbie design and glue it on my wall. You
Okay.
want me to?
Yeah, that sounds good. This way.
It just sounds like this.
Are you excited now? You ready to go home?
Yeah.
You gonna play with that?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right. Get buckled.
Well, that's so cool. But it is just cardboard.
It's for No-No.
But it's so cool.
Get buckled. It's time to go.
No, I don't have no one where to put it.
I think you do. You like it? You like it?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the house.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it in. It doesn't even fit. It's oh. It's silly.
Well, I was cleaning the bathroom, and I went under the sink in the kitchen to get some cleanser and some sponge, or one of those magic eraser things, and noticed a leak. And it is no longer a leak. It is pouring. So, onto the hardware store. You're getting pretty high.
Did you think I almost fell off?
Well, you're doing fantastic.
I want to stop. How do I stop? Don't fall too much.
Ready?
Go ahead, look.
Ready?
That was lovely. You have to keep it on the back.
Why do you keep hitting the house? That was a good throw. Ah! She keeps hitting the house and I keep throwing them. The wind caught that one. That one had like negative length. The wind caught that one too. Hit the house. It's right to you. Oh! Almost caught it. Oh! That's it. That's how you do it. Good job. Ready?
Yep.
There it is. You did it.
Show mama, show mama, show mama.
Okay. All right. Did you have fun?
Yes.
You did. And you went and you stayed at a party, and then you went swimming. That's excellent.
Yeah, and the water wasn't even cold.
The water wasn't cold?
No. We
Oh.
played mermaids.
That sounds fun. Well, weekend's almost over. We're heading to the house now. You're gonna eat some dinner, and then
that's me and Tessa.
we're gonna get ready for the week, right?
No.
Let's head to the house.